and I was not expecting to find it. I didn't even know if it came out. And I was shocked. I was like, oh my goodness. I need to get it right now. I have got the brand new, it literally just came out, Rainbow High Twins. They are so cute. I love their dresses. Their hair is so adorable. Her hair looks like mermaid, and hers looks like the sun set kind of, because it has like pink, orange, and yellow. Her dress is gold, super pretty, and it looks like they have some accessories as well. So let's get it right open, and they are special edition, which makes me excited. Okay. You guys all know I always have a hard time opening Rainbow High dolls. Like if you go back, I have a whole bunch of videos on me collecting the whole Rainbow High doll collection. So if you haven't already seen those, go check it out. Let's open it. Okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. All right, let's do this. They're not coming out of the box. That's weird.
You gotta pull.
Here, why don't you pull that in and help me?
I don't know.
Like that. Okay, there we go.
Ooh, we got them out.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Yep. Okay. Let's cut it and try to take it out. I always have a hard time with these. I don't know why.
Got it?
No, not really. Oh, there we go. I didn't see this. It was like at the top. Whoa, look at the bottoms of those shoes.
Oh my
Those
goodness,
are
that is so cool.
It's like a little
What are their names? Well, we'll get to that in a minute. But
yeah.
let's go ahead and
These
put this aside.
These look like some earrings.
We'll take everything out and then we'll show them everything in their little boxes too.
Yes.
We'll show all the details.
But right now, we're opening it. There's purses now? Oh my goodness.
They're dying to get out, so we need to get them out.
They're like, oh, help me. It's kind of hard to get it out. It's not like struggling a bit. And let's cut it.
And smack the camera.
Sorry, you guys. I hope that didn't hurt. Ugh. I don't want to cut her shoe. Ooh. All right, they're like, get me out of here. So that's what I'm doing. First, I like to get their hair out so I don't cut it. Oh God. This is hard. I have a feeling I'll cut her dress.
You're gonna break her back while you're at it.
Yeah. Oh no, this is scary. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, might as well.
Oh my gosh, how many are they gonna put there?
There's one on her head too. Let me guess. Of course there is.
Let me see.
Look at that. We finally got her out.
And there she is.
Just
She's
barely.
like, oh, let me breathe for a second.
I was tight, trapped in a box. Oh, that always scares me. Let me know if you guys struggle opening your Rainbow High dolls. Let me know, because in this case, it's always a struggle. Her earring came out. Oh, great. Here we go. All right, let's side pull her. hair out like that so I don't have to cut around her hair. Here comes the bad part again.
Let's see what you got.
Oh God.
There you
Oh,
go.
I got it. Oh,
You snapped it.
yay.
Careful. I think you snagged her hair.
Oh.
All right, so there goes the box. Get that out of the way.
They're beautiful.
Here's the other one.
And they're literally like twins.
Oh my gosh, I love. Turn around. Let's see their hair from the back. Oh my gosh, look at all these pretty colors. That is.
It's like the
so
rainbow.
pretty. Oh my
So
gosh.
cute. So she's
It was so bad that this one lost her earrings.
and this one lost one of her earrings.
All right, so why don't you put them back together?
All right.
Put all their
I'm gonna
stuff
get
back on.
her earring and put it back in the first place. I hope it's not like broken or nothing. I think it lost some paint because it's like, you see that? See how it's not like silver anymore? And her ear kind of has like paint on it. So that is, their earrings are always hard to put on.
All right, let me see. Look at those lashes.
Ooh, she does
Oh
got some
my
big lashes.
goodness. Those are so cute.
Her face is very like shimmery, which I like. Because it's like super
She is
cute.
really pretty.
We're gonna continue on with her accessories. She has this purple purse, and what is in it is just like this cardboard. But I think you could actually put like her earrings and stuff in it. You could see she has her little purse. Isn't that just adorable?
Yes.
It's so cute, and it has a little H on it for Rainbow High.
And then why don't you go ahead and
Let's
show them the shoes?
open it up.
Yeah.
These are like little trunks. Oh boy. I don't like this part either. Oh no. Why do they have to put it in the trunk? It makes it 10 times harder.
If they want you to work for it.
Yeah. Clearly. Rainbow High, if you're watching this. I love your things and everything, but can you just please make it a little bit easier to open? Please and thank you. Just a little easier. Man. Oh my gosh. I also seen they have Rainbow High wigs. Can you guys see me doing this? You guys see the struggle. I'm gonna cut her shoe. Oh no. Finally, I got her shoes out. Oh, those are
They're so
pretty.
cute.
I think they're backwards.
Well, she already has shoes, so we're just gonna show them those.
But you see, there's like rainbow on
Wow,
the
so
bottom.
cute.
Adorable.
What's in here?
In here, oh boy.
I think you need your scissors.
Again, I'm lucky that I brought my scissors. I think there's some more earrings.
Oh my gosh, those are cute.
I don't think I want to take them out of the
Yeah.
packaging because it looks
We'll
cute
just
like
save them
this.
for next time.
Yes. It looks really cute like that. So me personally. Hold up. So she just moved a box. And I thought they didn't come with no stands, no brushes. But she just flipped it over and I saw that. So we're going to do that after her. It's your turn to shine. Here she is. She's adorable. She lost her earrings, but it's okay. Still, she has these shoes, and they have like gold. I'm not gonna open
So
them.
this one is called,
So the red one is called Laurel Divorce, and then the very shiny one is called Holly Divorce. So that's how you can tell they're twins. This is special edition, so I think it's only
but to
going
me,
on.
they look like fire and ice.
Good point. Okay, so I'm not gonna open them because it takes way too long, but they are these white shimmery shoes with gold tips and super pretty like sunset colors on the bottom. And these are her shoes she already has on with as well sunset on the bottom.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Super cute.
Close up. You guys smell her feet. And then she comes with this red bag, which
Are you gonna put her earrings back on?
ours. Yes. I just noticed something, you guys. So her earrings have R's on them, and hers has H's, and even on her purse it has an R. So she's supposed to be rainbow, and she's supposed to be high.
Wow. Oh my
That's,
god, look at that hair. It's so gorgeous.
there's her earrings. Super cute, because you can see R, and then hers is H.
Oh.
And then on her purse
Well,
also has R.
Compared to the other dolls, have you noticed that these didn't come with no extra outfits though?
Yeah.
Usually they have extra outfits, and
That's one thing I'm like,
but that's okay. They're still pretty.
yes. And her, she just gets like these red earrings. Oh, hello. Hi.
So those are the earrings.
So cute. And then nothing special really going on here, just the stands and the combs, which I thought you did not get, but you do. So I am going to rate these twins a 7 out of 10.
Why 7 out of 10?
And my reason for that is because, so first, the packaging gives it like 2 points down. And then, also, one thing, I wish they came with extra outfits. And then another thing is that like this part, if you don't see it, then you're not gonna get it. You have to really look at the packaging to get it. So that's why it makes a 7 out of 10. The dolls are pretty cute, and their earrings do kind of fall out, which is another reason, but yeah, overall 7 out of 10. They are special editions, so I think they're not gonna be out all the time. So if you want them, go get them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.